just to give a little context. We're here at the Slovenian Academy of Fine Art in Ljubljana with Hamja Ahsan, and I would love to hear your take on the Slovenian Academy. It's just like, whoa, how is it compared to England?
When I walked into this space here, I just thought, like, you wouldn't see anything like this in like a British art school. Like, people just don't make things. It's more like you learn how to like read Jacques Rancière or Walter Benjamin, or for however long it's fashionable, and everything's quite freeform. But I guess this little gesture here takes it back into contemporariness. I came in here, the fact that you can just walk in here, like a British art school would be so securitized, there'd be like paid up security staff who look like security staff in uniform, like not letting you in without any form of ID, the whole pass gate system. The fact you have freedom and trust publicly to just walk in like this is quite extraordinary to me. But just the act of making things, like in the corridor we saw these sculptures that look like Henry Moore type figures. Like, no one makes things with their hands, they just learn pretentious long words generally.